Yeah, man, viewers and subscriber, yo. Anytime Queenie cry for RoRo, I know say she cry for do it said speed. Don't walk one, when you and welcome to Sunday and Bone Steve. And you don't know, Queenie there, she a deal with her house and everything. You grill man them forward. You don't know. And them design the grill with RoRo name in there, so Queenie just break down in tears and start ball still. But you don't know Queenie are crying and say, yo, do it should I die and Russia should I die if you see this, you see it. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV, you see me? And we'll go check out that video from Queenie. You don't know Queenie be herself, you see it. A real mama still know, but you don't know she a throw shit pan do it from where you see it from the interview on tea time.
Jesus Christ. RoRo. I love the camera dead, you know. Your fuck. It's at your fuck. You mind traffic surround me. I put on a big picture yesterday. Right, yes, sir. Really shit. RoRo, you see, yes, the creator RoRo. Who really ever lose someone? You know, everybody on this supposed to, unless you're a baby, you don't understand. My glad I'm creative, it's a big up RoRo. Every blood clot is holding RoRo. Our colors. That flower represents RoRo. Yes, sunflowers, RoRo named Sonida. You know, she loves flowers, you know. This represents RoRo again. You know, is a picture of RoRo. Me get emotional to see the grill. To see the grill with that name. My fucking first birthday, that guy left. Hey, I don't want to be trouble, you know. That me have to tell them that don't trouble me. Me cry, say, I get emotional. So me see the grill right over the road, you know. Good. It's amazing. Right now, for sure, was alive, should I say, gang say it's alright, no worries. You're married. You get your wish, you never have to last forever, mommy. Look on the bright side of life, no, man. I get to you, a boss. I'm proud. Like how is proud. So just want to ask you what time I'm watching my proud eye. I'll say yes. That's all, you know. Accept it. It's actually a stone and in the life. Leave me alone. You understand? I'm not going to in a life. I'm going to hold it. I mean, I wish not bad for most time. I wish him all the best. More and him grow. Not my proud and don't leave me alone. Don't leave me for sure and I'm a customer rude and I have enough fun. And when I text it from blood clot and everything, insult to the darkest, you love it. What me do? Gonna stop calling me, man. Why were you lecturing me? Okay, so why is it a mom? A mom what?
Why do you sound so defensive?
Why am I? You want to fight?
You can fight square up, mate.
You want to fight?
Come on. You want to keep your life and defend you. They can't defend you.
They can't defend me?
No, they can't defend you. I got you right here.
Alright, now you win. How long this will take for me to? Tomorrow for the 1 hour. About 3 hours. I'll 4 hours. Alright, we just can go and come back then. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I go with food. We go everywhere, but I will never come back. Let me take it away. Card. Bless up, bless up. Come on, Nasa London. No, you know it. Come on. Come on, let them say no plug me now. Me no want to hear me. We all love you. I love you. Thank you, Juliet. Love you, Juliet. Reflection. Thank you. Attack. Love you, Queenie. Oh my God, love you, real dirty dog. Real dirty dog, love me. Yeah, Carly, reflection. Love you, Queenie. Clean heart. Lucy, love me again. You know, so that somebody that don't love me, me not love woman. Yeah. No, you know, wait, that somebody always trouble me. I mean, never saw them writing out them name, but see, you know, me not black you door. You don't love woman? You know, me, from 2 weeks ago, I'm for black you, I'm not black you. Love you and everything you do once you're happy, me happy. Me like that. Love you to the internet and back. With blood clot. Love you to the internet and back. I want to see you and do it. Big up on the damn self, man. You know I love you, Queenie. Thank you, number one wifey. I love you, big good. We love big good, man. Love you, Jay. Thank you, Sandy and Bones. True right crazies, I love you. One more clad need resource. Wow, need reassurance, insecure. Whatever that means, baby, take it for yourself. Enough love. I love you and I cry with you. Thanks for crying with me. But don't hold it over my head because if you hold it over my head, say help me cry, then don't want me to do it. Of course, I am very proud of you. Thank you. I love you to do double tap back. Love you to do double tap and back. Sunday mornings, I like that. I love you to double tap and back. We love you when you're happy. But that's the thing, though. I cannot always be happy. I'm always in a right spirit, and that's all my talent. Big up Sunday morning. Love you, RoRo. I love you because you're so positive and real. I don't want to cry. Oh, that's so true. I love you because you're so positive and real. I love you so much. Thank you, Vince. Love your energy. Love you, Arthur Queenie. Sunday and Bones to the world. Worldwide Sunday and Bones. Love your Arthur Queenie. Who remember the Arthur argument? Want back the power couple. Lord. That's why I should have enjoyed when you did have one. The whole of Argentina love you, Queenie. And life, we are such blessed. You had your babies and grandbabies. God bless and cover you. Truth, we love Queenie, we love us. Love all you know. Oh, you know what? DAKE, what's that? Love all you know. Dark. Oh, dark, DAKE. We know that means. The Queen Rain. Hey Queenie, you're still the town. I really want to meet you. Yes, I'm still here. Put on the dates. Love you and Archie. Love from Jamaica. Love you so much. I love you. Love you, RoRo Riley. Someone just asked this? Love you, RoRo Riley and Ace. Love your clean Archie. Love you like cook food, shift. Love you need a song with you and Spice. Tell Spice up to do a song with me and I. Send love all the way from California. Love you and the family safe. Love you for the faith, the truth you always be. Love you because the spirit is unique and in yourself. Love you because you're real out here. Love from Guyana and I love watching you. Love you, Queenie. Blessing, Queenie. I love you. Love you and RT Bars. Love you, London. Shut up, London. Remember, I created them love you. But love you, London. Go on, man. Love you, Queenie. Continue being you and never make and never a dull moment and keep admiring you for your making nothing keep you down. Oh, that's a good one. Love when you feel right and